Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed orthogonal property of Laguerre polynomials and studied one recurrence formulae for Laguerre polynomials. Same here we're going to prove one more Laguerre polynomial, that is prove that x ln dash of x equals n into ln of x minus n into ln minus 1 of x. We know that the generating function of Laguerre polynomial is summation n runs from 0 to infinity t power n ln of x equals 1 divided by 1 minus t e power minus tx divided by 1 minus t. Differentiating with respect to x, we get summation tn. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, so this becomes ln dash of x equals first term free from x 1 divided by 1 minus t. This is e power minus tx divided by 1 minus t into minus t divided by 1 minus t, because differentiation of x is 1. So now multiplying by 1 minus t on both sides, 1 minus t into summation t power n ln dash of x equals 1 divided by 1 minus t e power minus tx by 1 minus t divided by 1 minus t into 1 minus t. Okay, next one into summation tn ln dash of x minus t into this one, t into summation t power n ln dash of x equals 1 minus t get cancel, minus t divided by 1 by 1 minus t e power minus tx by 1 by 1 minus t. Now summation t power n ln dash of x minus this becomes t power n plus 1 ln dash of x equals minus t into this is summation t power n ln of x by using generating function. Okay, summation t power n ln dash of x minus summation t power n plus 1 ln dash of x equals minus summation t power 1 t power n plus 1 ln of x. Okay, now equating the coefficient of t power n on both sides. Here the coefficient of t power n is ln dash of x minus, here we have t power n plus 1. To make this term t power n, replace n by n minus 1, n minus 1 plus 1 n. Therefore this becomes ln minus 1 dash of x equals, here again we have t power n plus 1. To make it n, replace n by n minus 1, n minus 1 plus 1 minus plus cancel t power n, here ln minus 1 of x minus sign. Okay, ln dash of x equals ln, if it comes to the RHS it becomes positive, ln minus 1 dash of x minus ln minus 1 of x. Call it equation number 1. Okay, just now in the last class we have proved one recurrence formulae, that is n plus 1 ln plus 1 of x equals 2n plus 1 minus x into ln of x minus n into ln minus 1 of x. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x, we get n plus 1 ln plus 1 dash of x equals first function into differentiation of second function 2n plus 1 minus x into ln dash of x plus second function ln of x into differentiation of this one is 0 0 minus 1 minus n into ln minus 1 of x is ln minus 1 dash of x. Okay, n plus 1 ln plus 1 dash of x equals 2n plus 1 minus x ln dash of x. Okay, plus minus ln of x minus n into ln minus 1 dash of x, equal to equation number 2. Okay, now replacing n by n plus 1 in this one. Okay, sorry, replacing n by n plus 1 in equation 1. In equation 1 is ln dash of x ln minus 1 dash of x minus ln minus n minus 1 of x. This is equation 1. Here we replace n by n plus 1. This becomes ln plus 1 dash of x, ln plus n. Here we have n minus 1. If we put n equals n plus 1, this becomes ln dash of x minus again n is n plus 1 ln of x. Okay, this is one equation. Okay, again from equation 1, this is equation 1, we get ln minus 1 dash of x equals ln dash of x, if it goes to the LHS it becomes positive, plus ln minus 1 of x. Okay, here we have two equations. By putting these two equations in equation number 2, substituting these two values in equation 2, n plus 1 ln plus 1 dash of x is this value. Substitute this value equals to n plus 1 minus x ln dash of x minus ln of x minus n into ln minus 1 dash of x is this value. Okay. N plus 1 ln dash of x minus n plus 1 ln of x equals 2n ln dash of x plus 1 into ln dash of x minus x into ln dash of x minus ln of x minus n into ln dash of x minus n into plus minus n into ln minus 1 of x. Okay. N plus 1 n into ln dash of x plus ln dash of x minus n ln of x minus 1 ln of x equals, if it comes to the LHS it becomes negative, minus 2n ln dash of x minus ln dash of x, it becomes plus x ln dash of x plus ln of x plus n ln dash of x plus n into ln minus 1 of x equals 0. Now n ln dash of x, okay, n ln dash of 2 minus 2 cancel, ln dash of x plus minus cancel, ln of x cancel, remaining terms are x ln dash of x minus n ln of x plus n into ln minus 1 of x equals 0. X ln dash of x equals n ln of x minus n ln minus 1 of x. Okay, this is one of the important recurrence formulae. Okay. Third one, prove that ln dash of x equals minus summation r runs from 0 to n minus 1 Lr of x. We know the generating function summation Tn ln of x equals 1 divided by 1 minus t e power minus tx divided by 1 minus t. Now differentiating with respect to x, we have summation t power n ln dash of x. Here this is free from x, so write as it is 1 by 1 minus t e power minus tx by 1 minus t into this term. Differentiation with respect to x is minus t divided by 1 minus t. Okay, minus t by 1 minus t into 1 by 1 minus t power minus tx by 1 minus t. Okay, minus t divided by 1 minus t, this is generating function, so we can write summation t power n ln of x. Instead of n I wrote r, t power r Lr of x, r runs from 0 to infinity. Okay, minus t, if it goes to the numerator, 1 minus t power minus 1 summation t power r Lr of x. Okay, equals minus t, this becomes 1 plus t square and so on, summation t power r Lr of x. Okay, equals minus t into, this can be written as summation t power s runs from 0 to infinity into summation t power r Lr of x equals summation, here we have t power 1, t power s, t power r, so t, add the powers, base is same, t power r plus s plus 1 Lr of x. Okay, for the fixed value of r, the coefficient of t power n on RHS is obtained by putting, here the coefficient of t power n is obtained by putting r plus s plus 1 equals n, or s equals n minus r minus 1. Total coefficient of t power n is obtained by summing over all allowed values of r. Okay, since s equals n minus r minus 1 and s is greater than or equals 0, therefore this value is greater than or equals 0. Okay, this is nothing but r is less than or equals n minus 1. Therefore the coefficient of t power n on RHS is summation minus, okay, here I forgot to write minus sign, minus Lr of x. This is, if it is n, t power n, the coefficient is minus summation Lr of x. Okay, therefore equation coefficient of t power n on two sides of equation 1, we have ln dash of x equals, here LHS is summation t power n ln of x, equating the coefficient of t power n on both sides. Here the coefficient is ln of x, here minus Lr of x. Okay, hence the result. Okay, prove Prove that ln of 0 equals 1. We have generating function summation t power n ln of x equals 1 by 1 minus t e power minus tx divided by 1 minus t. Put x equals 0. Summation n runs from 0 to infinity t power n ln of 0 equals 1 by 1 minus t e power x is 0. Then this becomes 0. E power 0 value 1. So 1 by 1 minus t. This can be written as 1 minus t power minus 1. The expansion is 1 plus t square and so on t power n and so on. This can be written as summation t power n runs from 0 to infinity. Okay. By equating the quotient of t power n on both sides, ln of 0 equals 1. Okay, next, last example. Prove that x ln double dash of x plus 1 minus x ln dash of x plus n into ln of x equals 0 and deduce that ln dash of 0 is minus n. Since ln of x satisfies the logarithm equation, that is x d square y by dx square plus 1 minus x into dy by dx plus ny equals 0 for lambda equals n. Okay, here ln of x is the solution of this differential equation, nothing but x into ln double dash of x plus 1 minus x into ln dash of x plus n into ln of x equals 0. Hence the result. Hence this result. Okay. Now put x equals 0. We get x is 0. This term becomes 0. 1 minus 0 ln dash of x plus n into ln of 0. Okay. Ln dash of 0. 1 into ln dash of 0 is ln dash of 0 plus n into ln of 0 equals 0. Ln dash of 0 equals minus ln of 0. Ln dash of 0 equals minus ln of 0 is 1. 1 minus n into 1 is minus n. Okay. Okay guys, this completes your first chapter special functions.